Testing your Shopify Payments Gateway is a great way to see how customers experience the checkout process on your online store. Today, you'll learn how to set up test mode for Shopify Payments and how to place different types of test orders. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing for new videos every week from the Shopify Help Center. Before you test Shopify Payments, you should first check if you're eligible to use the gateway. If you're not using Shopify Payments, then you can create a test order using the Shopify Bogus Gateway. See the link in the description for more details. Before moving forward, there's a few important details we should cover first. 1. While test mode is enabled, you cannot use real credit cards to pay for orders, so you should not enable test mode on a store that's in production. 2. Do not fulfill any test orders. You're charged for any shipping labels that you purchase. If you use an app that automatically fulfills orders, then you need to deactivate it before you create test orders. 3. Using Shopify Payments in test mode means you do not receive a payout, you don't pay transaction fees, and test transactions don't appear in your payouts or reports. Now, let's get started by clicking Settings in the Shopify admin. Then, click Payment Providers. In the Shopify Payment section, click Manage. Scroll to the Test Mode section and check the box Enable Test Mode. Then click Save. From here, click Payment Providers to go back to the previous page. Here, you see a banner confirming that Shopify Payments is running on test mode. Now it's time to create some test orders. Click the eye icon next to Online Store to open the store's landing page in a new browser. Next, you need to add some products to the cart. Choose whatever you'd like, as long as you have at least one item in the cart. After you add 1 or 2 items and you're on your cart page, click Checkout. Next, fill out all of the required details as if you're a customer. Enter an email address or phone number, as well as the shipping address. If you'd like to review any shipping rates you've set up for a particular zone, try entering a shipping address for that zone. When you're done, click Continue to Shipping. Then, you need to select a shipping method and click Continue to Payment. You can simulate both a successful Shopify Payments transaction and a failed transaction in test mode. For this example, we're going to simulate a successful transaction. You can find test credit card numbers for different credit card companies in the Shopify Help article linked below. We're going to copy the MasterCard numbers and paste it into the card number box at checkout. Enter at least 2 words separated by a space in the Name on Card section. Then, for the expiry date, enter any date in the future. And then, enter any 3 digits for the security code. To finish, click Pay Now. After the test payment is processed, you see a confirmation page with the order details. Now, we're going to go back to the Shopify admin and click Orders. Here, you see the test order that we just placed. You can open the order if you'd like. The order shows a banner stating that this is a test order. Remember, do not fulfill or print any shipping labels for your test orders. You can also simulate a failed Shopify Payments transaction to see credit card error messages. Taking the same steps as outlined before, click the eye icon to open the store's landing page in a new browser. Add an item to your cart, then proceed to checkout. Fill out the customer details like you did before, select a shipping method, and then move to the payment page. In the Shopify Help article linked below, you see test credit card numbers to simulate different types of failed transactions. For this example, we're copying the numbers to generate a card declined message and pasting the numbers in the card number section. Enter at least 2 words for the Name on Card section. Then, enter any date in the future for the expiry date, and then enter any 3 digits for the security code. After you click Pay Now, you see the page update, and then you see the error message. Since this test order was not processed, you do not see it in the Orders page of your Shopify admin. We're going to finish this tutorial by disabling test mode. back in your Shopify admin, click Settings, and then click Payment Providers. In the Shopify Payments section, click Manage or turn off Test Mode. In the Test Mode section, uncheck the box Enable Test Mode, and then click Save. For more videos on using Shopify Payments, subscribe now. If you still have questions, comment below or contact us directly at help.shopify.com/questions.